Additive manufacturing, or 3D printing, is unique in the way it creates an item. Instead of the conventional method of subtractive manufacturing, where materials are removed for a final result, additive manufacturing creates its final product by adding material. At Pantex, 3D printing is only one part of the additive manufacturing facility, primarily used to deliver mission-critical parts for high explosives manufacturing, firing site testing, along with requests from different groups on site.
Additive manufacturing is a rapidly advancing technology. We started in 2012, and from where we were at in 2012 to where we're now, it's been a huge change. The next 10 years, I could see advancements in the technology that we can't really imagine right now.
We have numerous additive manufacturing technologies. The main purpose that we have here at Pantex for additive manufacturing is to help us with our prototype components as well as production components that we use at the firing site.
Creating items or parts can demonstrate how assemblies and fixtures will go together or help evaluate changes or roadblocks that might never be discovered with a computer-generated model.
Engineers can get a rapid turnaround on a design. They design a part, we can produce it overnight, right? They can get something in their hands, make rapid iteration changes. They can get it in their hand and make sure that it's going to fit or it's going to work for their design.
Like any new technology, there is a learning curve, but Pantex designers and engineers see tremendous possibilities with additive manufacturing and the different ways it can be adapted to create opportunities as well as physical items.
We have new technologies in-house that we can use to support our mission. It's there for us to take advantage of what we have and what we can do with it.
Multi-material metal printers are coming out. They're getting new polymers, different engineered plastics that we can print, high-temp machines, so there's going to be a lot of advancements in AM.
Additive is just another tool in the toolbox, which allows us to decide what's the best process to make a component. It's not the answer to everything, but it does help us in some instances.
I would like to maybe encourage young adults and kids to get into additive manufacturing. And we're always looking for people that have that experience, so it would be a really good way to get kids interested in maybe a potential career here at Pantex.
Additive manufacturing is becoming commonplace in most school facilities. The Amarillo Independent School District's AmTech Career Academy includes an entire hands-on lab set up just for additive manufacturing.